How to link WhatsApp business to another phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video and today I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you link business WhatsApp to another phone. So it's a very simple procedure. Make sure to stick with us right till the end. Now first thing first, what you want to do is install the WhatsApp business account in your device, after which log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that will take you to the home page. Then you just need to click on the three dot icon from the top right and you just need to go to link devices, after which you need to click on link a device. Then you'll be prompted to type in your password or just do the biometric thing. And here you could see there's this scan field, so you just need to go ahead and scan the QR code on the web version. And likewise, if you want to link it to another phone, then you need to click on the option that is right below, which says link with phone number instead. Press that, and here there is the prompt as how you need to go ahead and proceed on further. That means to get your code, go to the WhatsApp app on the browser or on another device. Then you need to click on link with phone number instead, and you just need to go ahead and enter in the new code that will appear, that will be sent, and then you'll be able to link your WhatsApp business account to another phone. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.